Hello, welcome to the online learning of ICT and Computer Science channel. This is Computer Science Level 4, Unit 1, titled Computer Fundamentals. This unit tells about 6 subtopics, which are definitions, characteristics of computers, advantages and disadvantages of computers, classification of computers, roles of computers, and history of computers. We are now going to talk about 3 of them: definitions, characteristics of computers, advantages and disadvantages of computers, and then sit for some exercises. The word computer comes from the verb to compute, which means to calculate, and the objective of the invention of the first computer was to facilitate the calculations. Definitions. A computer is an electronic device capable of receiving data, process data, and produce output as the information. Data being a raw fact, the information is now a processed data, and a process is the operation carried out on data as per given instructions. For example, if we want to get data inside the computer system, we may use devices like keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, digital camera, light pen, and so on. And this is why devices like these ones are called input devices. If you want to get information out from the computer system, we may use devices like printer, monitor or screen, speaker, whiteboard, and so on. And this is why these devices are called output devices, because they are used to get information out from the computer system. The expression computer deals with 2 domains, which are hardware and software. Hardware being a set of the electronic circuits used in building the computer that execute the software. Software, on the other hand, is a set of programs associated with the operation of computer that are controlling computer hardware components. Then, computer science is a branch of science that deals with theory of computation, operation of computer hardware and software, and of application of computers in all sectors. This computer science has 5 branches, which are software development, computer architecture, human-computer interfacing, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Software development is about the creation of computer programs that can work resourcefully, and computer architecture is about developing the best hardware for a particular computer needs. Human-computer interfacing is about providing the means for people to use computers. Artificial intelligence is an effort made to make computer behave as intelligent as humans. Robotics. This is a design and development of computer-controlled mechanical devices. A robot is an electronic device designed to imitate the human nervous. It can be used where necessity of speed, accuracy, consistency, or purity exceed what humans can do. Let's see now about computer characteristics. The major characteristics of computers are discussed under the headings of speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, memory, to which other three may be added, which are no feelings, no IQ, and automation. Speed is explained by how fast the computer can work, because it takes only few seconds for calculation that we take hours or days or months, even or year, or simply fail to complete. And the computer speed is measured in units of milliseconds, microseconds, nanoseconds, and even picoseconds. Accuracy. Since a computer is a programmed machine, whatever input we give results accurately. This means that the accuracy of the output obtained from a computer mainly depends on input provided. And every calculation is performed with the same accuracy. The errors in a computer are due to human and inaccurate data, not to the work done by the computer. Diligence. Computers do not suffer from human-related. A computer is free from dullness, tiredness, and lack of concentration. If 1,000,000 of calculations are to be performed by a computer, it will perform every calculation with the same accuracy. And due to this capability, it overpowers human being in routine type of work. Versatility. The user can use a computer to perform completely different types of work at the same time, because the computer can perform a broader variety of tasks at the same time. It can be used to solve the problems related to different fields at the same time. At one occurrence, it may be solving a complex scientific problem, and the very next moment it may be playing a game. All this may be done at the same time. Automation. A computer, being a programmed machine, has the ability to perform the given task automatically. Once a program is given to a computer, it means stored in computer memory. The program and instruction can control the execution automatically. No IQ or no intellectual quotient. A computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any tasks. It is you, the user, to decide what you want it to do and in what sequence it will be done. So a computer cannot take its own decision as you can, you as a human being. No feeling. Computers that do not have feeling or emotion. It cannot make judgment based on feeling, tastes, experience, and knowledge, unlike human being, because it does not distinguish between users. Storage or capacity of remembering. Computers have the power of storing a large amount of information or data with its built-in memory. A computer can store and recall high amount of data depending on the RAM capacity. Its data can also be stored on a secondary device such as floppy disk, which can be kept out from the computer and can be used to the other computer or for the next time. We are now going to see about advantages and disadvantages of computers. Let's start with the advantages. A computer performed tasks faster than and more efficiently than human being. A computer processes the work accurately when correct data is fed into it. A computer performs a variety of tasks and at the same time helps the user to solve different problems and at the same time offering entertainment. User can, for example, play a background music while working on the other tasks. It increases productivity as it can perform the task very fast and accurately. That can be the source of income. Computers can be used to connect to the internet and can store vast amounts of information and reduce waste. Computers reduce costs. For example, in an automated office environment, a computer is used to perform tasks that would normally be assigned to several officers. It is automatically programmed to receive instruction. When inaccurate instructions are fed into a computer, close monitoring of the tasks is not required, unlike the case of manual operations. On the other hand, we have disadvantages. A prolonged use of computer and other electronic devices can lead to some health problems of the health risks, including eye problems, backache, repetitive strain injuries. Computers and automation can lead to loss of job. While some works that may be done by humans is given to the computers, this may lead to unemployment. If a computer is not taken care of, it can break down easily since they are vulnerable to dust and other environment factors. So some computer components are delicate and hence they need to be handled with care. Poor disposal of e-waste such as computer parts lead to the environment contamination. Using computer can limit learning and increase dependency, where many people deny to think about some operation and always want to consult computers. Then briefly we talked about some definitions, computer characteristics, and some advantages and disadvantages. And the following part now is about exercises. The exercise number 1 is asking us to define the term hardware and the term software. Let's see the answer. Hardware is the electronic device circuit used in building the computer that execute the software. And software is a set of programs associated with the operation on the computer that are controlling computer hardware. So the hardware being the set of physical parts of a computer, and the software is a set of programs that allow those physical parts to operate. Question number 2 is asking us to enumerate different characteristics of computers. And we saw about the headings in which those characteristics are discussed. Let's see now the answer. Speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, automation, no IQ, no feeling, and storage or capacity of remembering. Question number 3 is asking us to state 3 advantages and disadvantages of computers. Starting with advantages, we may state that a computer can perform tasks very fast than human being. Computer can process work accurately, and computer can increase productivity. Now disadvantages. computer cannot reason. The computers, when they are used in a long time, can lead to some health problems. And computers being automatic, they can lead to loss of jobs when the jobs done by people is given to the computers. This is now the end of the lesson. Thanks a lot for learning with us, and see you for the next lesson, where we will be learning about classifications of computers and the roles of computers. Bye bye.